Hey YouTube, this is Austin. I'm doing a bike check. These are my two bikes. This is my just build bike I've done. Got my side pegs. I haven't used them yet at all. But has a 32 tooth front and a 15 tooth back. Has orange forks, black headset, white and blue handlebars. Like I said, my friend's painting them. Then we got what? No, yep. Got her back, my DK. As you guys remember, my back rim bearings went out. She's been sitting since that first video I made a while back of her. She's got a brand new rim, brand new cranks. Forks are off that bike. The rims are the same, tires are different. I got a little cool Cobra thing. My way of building these. Original seat, the seat clamp is actually over there. That's that seat clamp, that seat clamps this one's. This tire is actually kind of bald. That one has lots of tread. Wide pedals I like because they fit my feet. Those ones do not much. This one, for some reason, I don't know what's this problem, but it will not listen. Hold on. It just don't make a lot of sound. Yes, you're asking that right there is a chain, or a nail as a chain. I used it because I don't got time to buy stuff yet. And one of my friends, retards as usual, got carried away with spray paint and screwed up this entire side. I sanded like a little bit right there off. I'm gonna sand her completely down. Redo her. She's gonna be a I think like a lime green. Cranks will be, well, I'm probably gonna go Rasta with this one. I don't know yet. She hasn't made herself up yet, but yeah, she's hard to mess with. I don't know if I got that chain too tight, because like I said, that chain is pretty tight. But yeah, so I know I haven't made videos lately, and I'm sorry about that. Here, I'll do a rollback on this one. Okay, ready? See, she's good. I ride her a lot. She was my special one. Out of all these grips are off that bike. Those grips are off of a mountain bike, I think. Like I said, my friends told them, I'll make a deal with you. You find parts, she can put her back together. They said, all right. So they did. I found an orange bike. Here, I'll actually go back there and show it to you. I'll be right back. All right. Ta-ta-da-da, we're back. Here it is, right here. Up there. She's from the junkyard. I don't want to get her up. She's all the way up there. But I start sanding out some of that shit. So alright, yep. See you guys.